Welcome back. Essential workers like firefighters, EMTs, and police officers, they've had to continue to respond to emergency calls throughout this pandemic. But now that it has continued for nearly a year, the way these essential workers handle situations and training, that has all changed. Our KION's Alicia Machado joins us live tonight in Salinas to explain, well, how these changes are now pretty much custom for them. Right, Alicia?
Yeah, Veronica, that's right. We have seen a lot of changes here, and fire departments are continuing to adapt across the Central Coast. I spoke with Salinas Fire Department tonight, and they tell me that they've adapted in several ways, including wearing more protective gear and also having some smaller training groups. A lot has changed since the start of the pandemic, but one thing remains the same. Emergency responders still need to go out on medical calls. But after nearly a year of dealing with the pandemic, they've adapted, wearing masks and more.
We have gowns, we have face shields, we even have equipment now where if we're conducting CPR, we've got HEPA filters that we apply to our ventilation bags to further limit any of those aerosolized products.
They also work with dispatch to know what to expect when they get to a scene, especially if they've responded before.
Like, maybe it's better to go through a back door of a nursing home so that we're limiting the spread of COVID-19.
As protocols from health officials change, they give their crews training updates over Zoom. And if they have to meet in person, they conduct trainings with just a few people, masks and social distancing. Despite a surge in cases and risks that come with the virus, first responders, both firefighters and police, tell me they must continue to do their jobs for the community, especially now.
Even with the uptick, we're keeping to the same protocols. If we have to make an arrest, we make sure that the person that is arrested is wearing a mask. Within the department, everybody wears a mask. Like that example that you used for CPR, you know what? We have to respond quickly, we have to be efficient, and we have to do the same level of care that we did before COVID-19.
Firefighters are taking these precautions along with first responders, but they say they also need help from the public by wearing your mask. And also, if you call 911, get to a safe, well-ventilated area to keep everyone involved safe. Reporting live in Salinas, Alicia Machado, KION News Channel 546.